Now, what message do you have to pass in connection with the recent killings that we have been witnessing in the northwest and southwest regions of Cameroon? The recent one being in your division, Faku divisions, especially in Moluka, last August 10, 2020.
Okay, I will start by saying I'm called Chief Ewome Eko John, the Chief of Boasabe, popularly known as Chief Moja Moja 1. And I want to believe I'm one of the strongest chiefs in the southwest and northwest region. I want to say, first of all, I want to send my message of condolence to the bereaved family, both in Bamenda and in Moluka. I want to tell them that the Almighty God is with them, and that I would like to promise this. I will say this to the Amber guys, that I'm your chief, and I want to tell you people that I'm also a very strong chief, and that what the killing that your people have been doing, I promise you, it's a threat, and it's going to come to pass that I'm now going to haunt you people in the bushes. I'm going to use my magical powers. I want to tell you people that I'm a very strong chief. To prove to what I'm saying, the fool of General Gabonese of the Ambassador Defense Force sent me one SMS that is going to chop off my head. Can you see me? Do you think I'm like the other chiefs? I am going to haunt you people. And I want to tell you people that you have engaged a war with me. You have engaged a war. Yes, a common bygrader today said he's a general. Do you know what it takes to train a military general? And those in the diaspora, I want to tell you people that I'm waiting for you people here. You are sponsoring fools. You are giving money to bastards to go and kill people. If you can see, you look behind me, you see that's my flag, the green and yellow, because I know Cameroon is one and indivisible. All these fools that are in the bushes, I will show you I have a monkey here. You people are not better than that, my monkeys. Are you people normal? I'm not living Boya. This is my palace. This is the Moja Moja's palace. I'm here. Come, even 1,000-2,000 of you people, I will strike you people dead. But I promise you, from Moyuka to Ekona, the Ekata people can tell you people that I touched them a few days ago. And I will travel to Bamenda. But I want to send this special warning to the fool of Field Marshal. Field Marshal, let me tell you, I'm coming for you, Field Marshal. I don't want to start with this, you are useless soldiers. I'm coming for you, Field Marshal. And I'll tell also Ayabacho that all what you people are doing, Tato Eric, all what you are doing, Komisako, I regret you being a Guaquerian like me. You are a big fool, a stupid man, I don't know. And I want to tell you people that from now henceforth, since you, the Amber guys, are disturbing us, I am now engaging myself. So I call upon all the English-speaking people to join me to eradicate these armed robbers that call themselves Ambers. Are they mad? They are killing us day and night. I call also all the chiefs of the southwest and northwest region. We should go back to our various villages, form a strong vigilante group to at least attack these bandits. They are armed robbers. They are armed robbers. Look at what they do to slaughter that girl in Bamenda. They slaughter a girl. All of us watched it over the media. What happened to that girl in Moyuka? Imagine that is your own child. So this is the time for us to say no to this Amber nonsense. I thank you people. I will say it again in PG language.
Now you are saying that killing your people is killing you and you cannot be quiet. That's what they're telling the world.
Killing my people is killing me. And as a chief here, it's time for me to defend my people. I am also going to stand. I am very strong. God knows I'm very strong mystically. I'm going to fight them. I'm going to send my spiritual snakes to you people. I'm going to use my elephants and my devils to fight you people. Walai, to be forewarned is to be forearmed. I've declared war between the Ambers and Moja Moja.
Now, what is expected of the government? What should they do? You're calling on your fellow peers, other traditional rulers. What advice do you have for the government for this to come to an end?
The advice I have for the government is like the government should at least struggle about the decentralization or about federalism, because things are slow. Things are slow. And if you look at now, like things are very slow. This is not what I expect from them. I would like to thank His Excellency, the President of the Republic, His Excellency President Paul Biya, for his effort. At least he has been trying for that. I must praise him for that. I would also like to praise the Prime Minister, John Kute. I would like to praise the Minister, His Excellency Atanga Paul, for all what they have been doing. I would also like to encourage and praise the Minister of Defense, Betty Asobu, that at least, but now I will also promise the government that I have engaged myself, that I also want to fight the Ambas as a traditional ruler. And I know I can defeat some of them. But if not, I know I will defeat all of them. I'm going to use my magical powers to you people. But I will start by Field Marshal. Then I'll come down to Fako, and I want to tell them that the God of this land is going to protect me because I'm your chief. I'm not a Bogo chief. I never paid any government officials to make me today a chief. My kingmakers, my grandfather was a chief, my great-grandfather was a chief, my father was a chief. That's why I'm a chief. And I know I'm strong, and I know that my gods are with me. So I am ready for you people.
Your ancestors will defend you.
My ancestors, they are already defending me. Since the Amber guys, they went to my village. This is my second palace. They went to my old palace, they burned down the palace, they said, but I'm still here. They said I should leave Buea. Who is Buea? My Buea. I cannot leave my Buea. I cannot leave my southwest region.
That's why I'm calling for other chiefs to
I'm calling for the other chiefs to come and join me. I'm calling for the local population. This is the time for us to form strong vigilante group to help the government to eradicate this useless group called Amber.
Other chiefs, they are not here. The government is asking them to come back to their palaces. What do you tell them?
I will tell them that if there's a chief out of his palace, it's because he is also encouraging those guys. Because in my own village, I checked the Amber guys there. They know, you people know what I do, what happened to you people in my village. Myself with my villagers, we join, we put our hands together and strike them. And I want to tell you, those guys are not from, they are not extraterrestrials. They are our own children. So it baffles me how a chief can leave his village because of Amber fools. But gather your youth. Gather your youth. Put some sense into their thick skull. I want to tell any chief in the southwest and northwest region who is afraid to go to his village, just give me the permission. I will go and eradicate the Amber fools in your village. I'm ready for that.
Okay. Can we have that in pidgin? Yes. Can you say that in pidgin?
Okay, I go turn now for pidgin. Say, me I be chief, Ewome Eko John. I be chief for Boasa village. When they call am say Boasa for inside Buya bed. My names there, then people know me plenty. Na Chief Moku Amoja or Chief Moja 1. Me, I get faith for myself, say, for inside southwest and northwest region. And not my chest, I be one of the strongest chief. Now why that one never ever run for Boya? Amber don't find me. But if they come 10, I dey chop off the head for even 8 or 9 of them. You people cannot get me. When I not see me, now see me for side. Now me this I pass for una front, pass for una camp. I dey pass for the like na spirit. I don't strike una for left and right bed. I will tell una, say Ekemapachi go, Ekemapachi come. Me now name myself Nyamoto, the second of Boya. And I will start from where he ended. I will continue for that problem. May Ekemapachi be stopped. I will push una out of Boya. I will push una out of Fako, out of southwest and northwest. I will go right for northwest. I will find una the way they define ground beef. Una no fit pass me. I go use my medicine, I go use my snakes, then my elephant and devil. I go transform, give my face with the change. Yes, at the change, I'm gonna get more than 50 different faces, so una no go see me, but I go hunt una. The fool of Field Marshal, you go take some chief, you cry, you run and say you be king. This na me, King Moja na me. When you look this house, you look for back there, you see green and yellow. Now the flag that way I know. Now the flag. Down a team for blow, na cause Abba to hell with una. Me I dey for you. I need the run. I dey go Munya drink. I dey go right for Kumba for I know call names them. But for BB clubs and for that, go dance. Una need to see me. Una fit. Una no fit.
Wait for the die. Where you're picking the die, they slaughter them as chief. Wait till faith come for your mind where you see that kind of picture them for Bamenda and for Moyuka. Okay,
now that thing for Bamenda and Moyuka provoked me for make this video. When I see that way happen for Bamenda, I see what will happen for Moyuka, I cry, I shout, and I realize and I force them to do this thing there. Now people when they no go school, they call themselves say Amber fighters. Okada man say be general. You know how they train general. So I go send some message for that mommy, them that family they lost their people say Ashia. And then I want all young girls there. Where they do waka. When I need the shit for house. One master to the other. When I don't see where it happen. When I stay for house, when I pray, when I call upon Papa God and the God of this southwest and northwest region, me they strike that boys them for bush. More put hands together. all my dey watch this video, I dey invite una say make una come because I don form a very strong vigilante group to eradicate this amber dem. They not native people. They the cash man cut in hand, take money, not be native that. They the broke store take things, they not be native that. Native people that. So I dey want talk this strong message. I make her share for that girls way they call the head, the family. But I want promise the family say they will smile one day because me too I don't engage. Say I go help government with my magical powers. I go enter for bush. I go find that boys them and I go make them. I go judge them. We go bring them to order. That's small message I want to tell you now.
Thank you very much.
Oh, friends.
Okay, just a bit, yeah?
Just summarize everything.
All right, okay.
Je suis le chef de village de Wome Eko John, chef de village de Boassa, mais on m'appelle Moja Moja One. Je veux d'abord remercier le gouvernement pour tout l'effort qu'il fait pour la lutte contre les Amazoniennes et pour que la paix se règne ici en sud-ouest et en nord-ouest. Dernièrement, je vais dire un message de condoléances aux familles des filles qu'on a coupé leur tête. Que moi, chef de village de Boassa, je m'engage aussi pour lutter avec ces terroristes de Amazoniens et que moi, je vais mettre tous mes supports et j'appelle les autres chefs de village qui ont fui leur village, qui viennent vers moi, on forme un comité de vigilance pour éradiquer tous ces bandits qui s'appellent Amba. Je vous remercie.